My name is Ross Russell. My wife is Sally. Between us we've built this house we call the Sliding House in the far east of Suffolk in England. Winter we'll have the roof pulled over to keep us warm. We'll be sitting in a cosy living room with the television on in the corner. Of a summer's evening it's a magical experience to be able to just pull the roof back and sit in the sunshine. I remember well the brief I gave when I met up with Alex to talk about this house. But what I remember most is the line at the top of the page that said, "We are prepared to be radical."